welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be covering some great machines we think you should see. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more like it. First up, we have a plough system from FOECK, which was designed to lay pipes and cables. It consists of two units, the winch unit and the insertion unit. The winch unit is deployed ahead and is used to tug the insertion unit. The insertion unit consists of a plough or ripper. When it is pulled, the plough penetrates the soil, and in doing so, it also lays the pipe or cable. You can use this system on virtually any terrain. It can lay multiple pipes in one go, offering 10 kilometers of pipe installation per day with a max depth of 2,500 millimeters. So far, more than 450,000 kilometers of cable and pipe have been laid worldwide by this system. Next, we have the 620S Pro from Cranman. It is a wood harvester equipped with a separate independent pump for the drive, crane, and unit. The crane's max reach is 5.4 meters. It can lift 700 kilograms with a straight arm. The weight-optimized chassis eliminates the need for support legs. Thanks to the servo levers, the machine can maneuver easily and accurately between trees. The handbrake and waist lock will automatically function when the driver lets off the pedal. The cab is rubber suspended, and the 24 horsepower engine is placed at the opposite end, providing a noise-free environment. HOMAN is an Australian farm machinery company renowned for manufacturing innovative land clearing and tillage machinery. The HOMAN CP300 is a single-tine plough from this company. It has been made for heavy-duty bulldozers and used for plowing the barren soil. The CP300 has a drum seeder over the plow blade that spreads the seed over the plowed area in a single pass. This dual functionality saves both time and money. Next, we have the LOGMAX 2000T. It is a compact thinning head that can process 41 centimeter diameter tree trunks. It has a 280cc motor that provides a feeding capacity of 4 meters per minute. The tensioner for the saw has been redesigned by fitting a 7mm flexible screwdriver to simplify maintenance. In order to increase the cutting performance of all moving delimbing knives, the edge of the blades has been given a new angle, which is 35 degrees. The LOGMAX 2000T has several sensors integrated with AFC technology that analyzes and adjusts the power to the type and size of tree. Next, we have the PLOUGH, a mechanized pruning system developed by the German company ADVALIGNO. It is ideal for trees taller than 12 meters. The pruning unit is manually set on a tree by 2 people. It moves on the tree by 2 rubber treadmills that take hydraulic power from a drive unit. The drive unit can be integrated with any 37 kilowatt tractor via a PTO shaft. This pruning system can process 4 meters per minute. It is used for trees with trunk diameters from 12 to 25 centimeters. Next, we have the URM 700-2. It is a multi-ballast cleaning machine designed for cleaning and tamping the ballast bed in a single pass. The machine completes its work without cutting the rails, and it makes the track ready for traffic just after processing. Also, there is no need to remove and reinstall the turnout. The machine has 2 diesel engines with a total output of 1,100 kilowatts and 4 powered axles. The maximum travel speed is 19 kilometers per hour. It is ideal for maintaining a large high-speed turnout, cleaning and ballast shoulders, and between the connecting sections of the track. Up next, we have the Stark Excavator Sweeper. It is a cleaning attachment unit designed for demanding cleaning applications such as cleaning railway tracks. It is attached to excavators or other machines with a separate boom and used for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. The sweeper offers a working width from 0.6 to 2.5 meters. Its hydraulic motor is integrated into the brush roller, thus protecting it against impact. The strong structure and high-quality components ensure trouble-free miles of cleaning. It has 900mm thick lamella that provides an excellent finish, even on uneven surfaces. The requirement for the connection is 2 hoses with 55 to 120 liters per minute of oil flow. Next, we have the VEEKMAS FG246. It is an 18.9-ton 6-wheel drive grader used in road construction and maintenance. It comes standard with a 12 to 13 foot wide middle blade that can be tilted 62 degrees upward and 29 degrees downward. Its 270 horsepower engine provides peak output at 2200 RPM. An electronically controlled motor and a transmission with torque converter and automatic lockup enable efficient and environmentally friendly work. The robust geared bogie is specially designed for hard work and high speeds. The short frame and small turning radius ensure unparalleled operating characteristics, which are especially important in cramped street and building construction. Haverfield Aviation is renowned for providing aerial service for tree pruning. This sort of job is often required to prune trees alongside high-voltage lines. They use MD-500, which is a powerful utility helicopter. The tree saw is hung below the chopper via an aluminum cable. The tube works as a carry mount, while the saw has its motor engine that drives the saw with a belt. From inside the cabin, the operator can control the spinning speed of the saw and turn it in relation to the helicopter's direction. Last but not least, we have the log splitters from DORN-TEC. It is intended for the quick splitting of meter sheets. Changing the splitting height of the log splitter takes just a few seconds. The device has a hardened hydraulic piston and a two-hand safety operation. Thanks to its brass guide and the highly stable frame, long service life is guaranteed. The log splitter has its own oil supply. By equipping it with their unique cable winch, it is also possible to set up and process larger pieces of wood without much physical effort. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.